Good evening, everyone. So, as the JMT TACT coordinator and chairperson, it's my privilege to say a few words about the Academy. So, the Jayasekaran Medical Trust, in collaboration with TACT Academy Chennai, started this program 10 years ago. And today we are so happy to celebrate this 10th anniversary. During these 10 years, we have had the privilege of training more than 1,300 individuals in basic life support and more than 300 people in advanced cardiac life support. So that makes us feel very good because we know that with this quality hands-on workshops that we conduct, we are actually making a difference in saving lives. In addition to these programs for healthcare professionals, we also conduct layperson programs. And I'm happy to say that for more than 3,000 people, lay people, we have taught them something about cardiopulmonary resuscitation and first aid. And in fact, one or two of them have actually saved lives. As we celebrate the 10th year of this academy, I would like to place on record the efforts put in by Sister Jayalakshmi and Nagarajan in maintaining the academy. Because as you all can imagine, it needs a lot of effort to arrange programs, keep the mannequins and the materials in shape. So at this juncture, I would like to extend my appreciation and gratitude to both of them and to the entire faculty of JMT TACT. Dr. Ramakrishnan of TACT Academy was the first individual whom I met who had started a program in Chennai wherein hands-on CPR was taught. So until then, I had attended many programs but never had the confidence to work hands-on. So we have Dr. Ramakrishna as our chief guest today, and I'm very pleased that he's here. Thank you, Rama, for the education and the support throughout. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Dr. Akshara. I am working as a consultant pediatrician in Dr. Jayasekaran Hospital, and I am a faculty of AHA, BLS and PALS instructor in the JMT TACT Academy. From my PG days, I have been inspired by my professors taking PALS classes, and I wanted to be a PALS instructor, and that was my dream. So when I started working in this institute, my dream came true. And I started my instructor journey from February 2023. I know though it's a very small part in the total JMT TACT Academy's journey, in this short period I have enjoyed taking classes, and I feel very happy to take and teach life-saving classes to general people as well as the healthcare professional. Being a pediatrician and a PALS instructor, it gives me confidence to train and ment the pediatric nurses in our hospital, and this indeed gives encouragement and helps in giving a proper trained pediatric nursing care and has improved the quality of pediatric nursing care in our hospital. Teaching life-saving classes to people is a privilege, and it gives us self-encouragement and self-empowerment. And I feel privileged, and I thank the institute for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this 10th anniversary of JMT TACT Academy, and I wish to continue teaching people to save lives. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Jayalakshmi. I am working as a Vice Principal at Dr. Jayasekaran College of Nursing. I am a AHA BLS and ACLS instructor and training site faculty too. Dr. Jayasekaran Medical Trust TACT Academy for Clinical Training started in the year 2014 with the aim of training caregivers to save lives. Today we are celebrating 10th anniversary of this academy. In the special occasions, I wish to thank all my trustees and administrators for their constant motivation and appreciation towards this achievement. And my special thanks goes to Dr. Renu Dev Prasad. Her dedication and passion towards teaching the life-saving skills impressed me a lot, and I am become a AHA instructor. My special thanks to all the co-instructors and the supportive staffs, especially Mrs. Leticia and Nagarajan, who were traveling with me. It's more than 9 years and supporting the academy. This celebration's 10th anniversary made us to, it is a more responsible towards in dissemination of life-saving skills to many people in the community. 10th anniversary wishes to you all. Keep learning, save lives.
I am Leticia, Anesthesia Technologist tutor and AHA, BLS and ACLS instructor in the past 6 years ago. I am glad to have chosen this course. It has helped me to immensely and clarity, understanding and life-saving concept with clarity. By learning this, I am able to teach my students and the general public with confidence. I thanks to Dr. Renu Dev Prasad Jayasekaran and the instructor for the academy, me as the instructor in the academy, and I feel too happy to the part of this 10th anniversary, wishing to continue the teaching for future years. I thanks the past instructors, Dr. Jayandan, Dr. Alex Nicholas and Devika Madam also. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். என்னுடைய பெயர் நாகராஜன். நான் ஜெயசேகரன் மெடிக்கல் ட்ரஸ்ட்டு சிஎன்இ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் இது கிளரிக்கல் அசிஸ்டண்ட்டாக வேலை பார்க்குறேன். இந்த டேக்ட் அகாடமியில் 10 வருஷமாக நான் பயணிக்கிறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு மகிழ்ச்சியான விஷயமாக இருக்குது. என்னோட பணி ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் கவுண்டரில் இது நான் இந்த செவிலியர்கள் மருத்துவர்கள் ஒவ்வொரு ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் பண்ணுறது எனக்கு ஒரு புது அனுபவமாக இருக்கிறது. அப்புறமா என்னுடைய இந்த பிஎல்எஸ் கோர்ஸ் அவுட் சைட்லேயும் நாங்கள் போவோம். அங்கே போகும்போது விதவிதமான ஒரு புது அனுபவங்கள் இருக்குது. எல்லா இதுவும் ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்குது. 10 வருஷமாக இது கொண்டு போகிறதுல ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி. இது டாக்டர் ரேணுவுக்கு நன்றி சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன். அப்புறம் ஜெயலட்சுமி மேடம் அவர்களுக்கு என்னோட நன்றியை சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன். இன்னும் இந்த பணியை மிக சிறப்பாக இன்னும் பல ஆண்டுகள் எடுத்து செல்ல நான் விருப்பப்படுறேன். நன்றி.